All right.
What you got going on here, man?
Got a 1970 Chevelle LS5. Got the 410 gears in it. Redid the entire block for the most part. It's pretty original radio. Every single original light in the car. Whole car's redid. Interiors, pretty original as well. Haven't touched anything for the most part. Haven't cut up inside the car. The only thing I did too is change the block. The block is a crate motor, 502 big block, just close to 600 horses.
How long you had it?
For 2 years, about 2 years. I got the serpentine system. I mentioned the 410 gears. So on the freeway, she just wants to spin for the most part. I got the dual exhaust, chrome mirrors, everything for the most part. Like I said, the 6,000 RPMs in the interior, tilt wheel, original bucket seats. What else? Original seat belts. I got the seat belts up here as well that I tuck in so they don't hang down, whatnot like that. Original wheels. 1970 Chevelle, man. It's the year. It's the only year. Carries the most value, and it's also one of the rare Chevelles, right? They only made about like 6,000 of these LS5s. So
How much you got into the investing into the car right now?
it's close to me personally, or how much is the car worth?
You personally and the car.
The car is worth about 75 to 100. I got about maybe 15 in it.
Okay.
So I didn't spend too much money on it. Like I said, whoever had the car did a lot of the work for the most part. So yeah.
Is this your first car in your collection, or?
No, so I built cars with my granddad and my dad. My dad has a 1963 Thunderbird and the 1969 Chevelle. My grandpa was one of the first African Americans to work for VW back in the 60s, too. So I grew up around cars my whole life. So when I got a little bit of money, I jumped in and finally got me something. So
What's next in the collection? You got something you looking forward to getting?
I'm trying to get me something like a Challenger or something. Nothing new. I'm only staying vintage because the newer cars, just as soon as you drive off the lot, they lose that value. So I'm gonna stick with the original. I got a family car and whatnot at home, a Honda commuter, whatnot like that, but strictly old school. Just holds value. What's that? I grew up working on cars for the most part. Yeah.